Hello, today I'll be going over how to use the DocumentCloud batch upload script to upload large sets of documents, whether that be hundreds or thousands or even up to 1,000,000 documents, to DocumentCloud over a period of time on Windows 10. There's a few requirements for the DocumentCloud batch upload script, one namely being Python. You can open a command prompt by going to Start and then CMD. And then if you want to check if you have Python installed, you can do python -- version. In this case, it's not currently installed. I want to install Python 3, so if I type it in Python 3 without any arguments, it will go ahead and open the Microsoft Store for me. And it will allow me to install it from the Microsoft Store. In this case, I already had the download running. Otherwise, you would click Get. And then we can see that the Python 3 interpreter was indeed installed. The next thing that we'll need to install is pip, which allows us to install some Python packages for our DC batch upload script to work. In this case, we're going to use a curl command to go ahead and download pip to a local directory. This is the command that we'll be using. I'll drop that in the description of the video. Paste. Went ahead and download it for me, and then we're going to go ahead and use Python to go ahead and run the command get-pip.py. It's going to go ahead and download pip. And it went ahead and installed pip. You can verify by typing in pip and seeing that it gives us options. Alright, so now that we have Python and pip installed, we can go ahead and download the batch upload script. If we go ahead and go to github.com/muckrock, we can type in dc_batch to verify the DC batch upload script is there. Click on it. We could go ahead and use the GitHub CLI option to clone the repository locally. If you have the GitHub repository tool installed, you can click Learn More to do that. For me, I'm just going to go ahead and download the zip file. And there, I'm going to open it, File Manager. I'm going to go ahead and extract it. And delete the zip file. Now we have the batch upload Python file and the requirements.txt. There are a few requirements for the batch upload script to work properly, so we'll want to go ahead and install those. We can go ahead and install the requirements for the batch upload script by go ahead and copying the current directory, opening up a command line, and then typing in cd to change the directory, space, and then the file path. Then we can type in dir to go ahead and list the documents to confirm we're in the correct directory. From there, we can go ahead and do pip install -r and then requirements.txt. That'll install the packages listed in requirements.txt so that our batch upload script works correctly. Another thing that we'll need to do on our Windows 10 machine is go ahead and create our local environment variables, specifically all caps DC underscore username and DC underscore password. The way to do that in Windows is we go ahead and click on the Windows button, type in system, click on advanced system settings. Now we're in the advanced tab. We click on environment variables. We'll want to create a new one, and we'll go ahead and type in the username. And then we hit OK. We'll want to create one for the password as well. For this one, I will do this off screen. Once we've went ahead and set the environment variables, we can verify that they're set appropriately by opening up a command prompt and typing in echo %, the name of the variable, in this case DC underscore username, and then another percentage. And you'll see that it was set correctly to my username. Now that we have Python installed, pip installed, the requirements.txt installed, and the local environment variable set, only other things we'll need is that project ID from your DocumentCloud project and the local directory where your documents are located. In this case, it'll be bulk test. You may additionally provide a CSV file that includes at least 2 columns, one being called name, which is the actual file name of the document as it's stored on your hard drive. In this case, it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on and so forth, but not including the extension, so not 1.pdf, but 1. The other column is title, which is the human readable title as it will appear on DocumentCloud itself. Any additional columns will be added as key value pairs as metadata within DocumentCloud that you can include. For example, you could have a column named year and have values for each document in there, and that will be uploaded as a key value pair within DocumentCloud. If you don't have the CSV file generated already, there is an option through the batch upload script to generate one for you. The way you can do that is go ahead and go to Python 3 batch upload.py and then -p and the name of the project. In our case, we will do 211231 and then --path. This will be the path to the directory where the documents are located, and then space --csv. Then we will name the CSV file, in this case bulk test.csv, and then we'll do --generate underscore CSV. This won't actually upload the documents yet, it will just generate the CSV. We'll have to run the script one more time and then it will upload. We can verify that the CSV file was created by typing in dir and seeing that bulk test.csv was generated. If I hit the up arrow a couple times, you'll be able to go back to the full command that you ran earlier and then just erase generate CSV, and you should be able to hit enter and it will run and go ahead and upload the documents for you. If there's any errors in processing, you'll see the upload response errors here, but for now all the documents have been uploaded. Do note that there is a delayed indexing. This is for performance related enhancements. This prevents someone from uploading millions of documents and then essentially slowing down our search indexing over time. So do know that it will take anywhere from 30 minutes to a couple hours for all your documents to appear and for them to be searchable on DocumentCloud itself. We'll wait a little while, come back, and I'll show you that the documents have successfully uploaded. And as you can see in the bulk test Windows project, you'll see all of the documents have successfully uploaded and they're viewable. There are additional options for the batch upload script. If we go ahead and type in Python 3 batch upload.py and then -h, it'll show you the additional options that you can include. There, of course, is the option to add metadata for the source. You can define a access level, so by default it's set to private. If you wanted it to be set to public, you would include --access and then public. You can change the name of the database that is used to track whether or not uploads were successful or not. You can see the help screen. There is the option to change the number of threads. If you have a very large set of documents, you can include multi-threading, so you can include 2, 3, or 4. And then you can change the batch size, so you can set up to 25 documents at a time to be uploaded. That's per thread, so of course if you have 2 threads it'd be 50, so on and so forth. And then lastly, there is a generate CSV file. This allows you to generate a CSV file from a set of documents, from a directory of documents. The way you would do that is you do Python 3 batch upload.py. You would set your project ID. You'd set the path. And then you would set CSV, and then you'd name your CSV, and then you'd give the generate CSV file option, and that'll generate the CSV for you.